Here's a step-by-step guide on how to delete all viruses on iPhone. So, one of the ways to do that by going to your settings and then go ahead to the general, then basically transfer reset iPhone, and we're gonna reset, and then you're gonna see a pop-up window, and you're gonna click the first option, reset all settings, and that should fix your problem. Now, in order to fix the in order to delete the viruses and malware from your iPhone, what you're gonna do, you're gonna double check if your iPhone needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. You uninstall any app you didn't download or that behave unusually. Press and hold the app icon and then remove the app. Maybe let's have example this app. I'm gonna remove and double click to remove that app, right? And as we said, reset all settings by going to the settings, general, and then transfer reset iPhone. Click reset, and we're gonna reset all settings, and that should fix your problem. Okay, and then check for profiles. Go to the settings, general, and then VPN. All right, make sure that your VPN is not on. So make sure that you shut it down. So remove any unknown profiles that you created on VPN. If you have an older backup that you believe is clean, restore your iPhone from that backup. And as a last resort, backup your data and then go to the settings, general, and then transfer or reset iPhone, and then erase all content and settings. Okay, consider apps like Norton or McAfee for additional scanning and protection options. For best practices, always download apps from the App Store and avoid clicking unknown links or messages. So, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.